Are you curious about which 13 superfoods pack the biggest nutritional punch? Let's dive in and talk about the top 13 nutrient-dense powerhouse superfoods that could transform your health and even your brain function as well. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that offer exceptional health benefits, often packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding these foods to your diet can significantly enhance overall health, supporting everything from immune function to heart health. By focusing on superfoods, you can elevate your nutrition and promote a healthier lifestyle. In this discussion, we will explore the top 13 superfoods that are particularly dense in nutrients and can make a positive impact on your health. Salmon is renowned for its impressive health benefits, primarily due to its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which plays a crucial role in preventing heart disease and reducing inflammation. Additionally, salmon is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B vitamins, and selenium, contributing to overall health. Regular consumption of salmon is associated with improved circulation and blood flow, supporting brain function and promoting cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Kale is a powerhouse of nutrition, abundant in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium and potassium. Its high fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health, while bioactive compounds such as flavonoids and glucosinolates contribute to its antioxidant properties. Adding kale to your diet can significantly enhance overall health, supporting immune function, reducing inflammation, and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases in the body, making it an excellent superfood choice. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are highly nutritious, packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They play a vital role in digestive health by promoting regularity and supporting gut bacteria. Additionally, legumes provide sustained energy due to their complex carbohydrates and low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Adding legumes into your daily diet can enhance overall health while helping to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in essential nutrients such as high-quality protein vitamins, B12 and D, and minerals like selenium and choline. Regular consumption of eggs can support muscle health, enhance brain function, and aid in weight management due to their satiating properties. Additionally, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin antioxidants that play a crucial role in promoting eye health and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, making them a valuable dietary choice. Avocados are nutrient-dense fruits packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, E, C, and B6, as well as potassium and magnesium. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health and regularity, while their rich supply of monounsaturated fats supports heart health and helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, the healthy fats in avocados aid in nutrient absorption, making them a delicious and beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are renowned for their antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. They are also high in fiber, promoting digestive health and contributing to glowing skin by supporting hydration and elasticity with a low glycemic index. Berries are an excellent choice for diabetics, as they help regulate blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients, making them a delicious and healthful addition to any diet. Nuts are a rich source of essential fatty acids including omega-3 and omega-6, along with vital nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Regular consumption of nuts is linked to improved heart health as they help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. With a variety of options like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, each nut offers unique benefits, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to a balanced diet that supports your overall health. Garlic is celebrated for its active ingredient, allicin, which is known for its potent health benefits, including antimicrobial effects. This compound contributes to garlic's strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to combat infections. Additionally, garlic plays a significant role in promoting heart health by improving circulation and regulating blood pressure. Regular consumption of garlic can enhance overall cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to a nutritious diet for maintaining overall health and vitality. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, and essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and copper. Its consumption is associated with improved heart health, as it can lower blood pressure and enhance circulation. Additionally, dark chocolate may boost brain function by improving cognitive performance and mood. However, moderation is key. Enjoying dark chocolate in small amounts allows you to reap its health benefits while avoiding excess calories and sugar. Potatoes are a nutritious food source rich in vitamins C, B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. Their filling nature makes them an excellent addition to meals, providing a feeling of fullness and energy. Versatile in cooking, potatoes can be prepared in various ways, from baking to mashing as well. To maximize their health benefits, it's essential to consume whole potatoes as they retain more nutrients and fiber compared to processed forms, supporting overall health and energy. Liver is a nutrient-dense food, rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B, iron, and copper, making it a powerful addition to a balanced diet. However, moderation is crucial, as excessive consumption can lead to vitamin A toxicity and other health issues. Pregnant women should exercise caution with liver intake due to the high vitamin A levels, which may pose risks to fetal development, emphasizing the need for balanced dietary choices. Shellfish, including shrimp, clams, and oysters, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, zinc, iron, and selenium. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, supporting muscle health and overall body function. Including shellfish in a balanced diet can enhance nutrient intake, promote heart health, and provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain function. Their versatility in cooking makes them a delicious and nutritious choice for meals. Seaweed is a nutrient-rich superfood, abundant in essential minerals like iodine, calcium, and magnesium, along with powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Its incorporation into a balanced diet enhances nutrient diversity and is a staple in sushi preparation, adding flavor and texture. Compared to some vegetables, seaweed offers superior nutritional benefits, providing more vitamins and minerals per serving, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to boost their overall health and energy levels. Well, there you have it. Incorporating superfoods into your diet is essential for enhancing overall health and vitality. These nutrient-dense foods provide numerous benefits, from improved heart health to better digestion, increased energy, better productivity, increased focus and cognitive ability, and potentially a longer lifespan as well. Remember, you are what you eat, right? We encourage you to explore these superfoods and discover how they can positively impact your life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others to spread the knowledge and inspire healthier eating habits in your community. Thank you so very much for watching till the end. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.